You're moving! No! I just want to win one round! Stop holding me in, I'm 1 HP! Just let me out, I'm gonna die to storm! No! I'm tired of this because I just want one win. But you just build so much! I can't keep up with you! All you do is build every time! You only kill me every time because I'm lagging! My internet is so bad! Dad, give me new Wi-Fi! All you do is build it up! I can't anymore! I quit! I bet you're so bad that you can't even get yourself a Fortnite girlfriend. Because I met my Fortnite girlfriend in a duos film match, and she loves me so much, she gets me so many skins. What? Where are you? You're using hacks and aimbot! Mr. Pancake in Fortnite. I'm gonna kill you because I'm in Fortnite as the Pancake Man. And I'm the most epic Fortnite gamer of all time!